10 hours?
Yeah.
That's a long time, huh?
1 hour.
Okay, so 1 hour and a little more, maybe 1.1.
Yeah.
Or there are power lines, so let's fly over the pole.
Okay.
And let's go to 2000.
2000, okay.
Okay, so always, so the DP and I as well, I'm gonna ask you questions like this.
Okay.
Before you say it, think about, does it make sense, 10 hours? No. Okay, then you think again.
Okay.
Yeah, so a little more than 1 hour, yes, good job. And how far can we fly in 1 hour if we fly about 80?
80?
Yeah.
80 knots for 1 hour, 10 gallons.
Yeah, but how many miles can we cover?
Miles for...
So how far?
I need to calculating for it.
I can help you. It's actually pretty easy.
Yeah.
So normally in a car you have miles per hour, right?
Yeah.
So in 1 hour, if you fly 50 miles per hour, in 1 hour you cover 50 miles.
Yeah.
And it's the same.
80 knots?
Exactly, 80 knots, 80 miles.
Yeah,
it's the same
miles.
with knots and nautical miles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
80 miles.
Then if you have 1.2 hours of flight time, so if you have 15 gallons, gives you 1.2 hours, 1.5 hours of flight time.
Yeah.
But then you can fly 80 plus the half of 80.
140 miles.
No. What's the half of 80?
120 miles.
So this is how you can calculate things like this.
I got it, yeah.
And
now I can see the water treatment plant.
Nice.
Over there.
Yeah.
First, let's go to the 2000 feet.
Yes. The climbing, yeah, we can use a little more power.
Yep.
And a little left pedal.
Left pedal.
One guy above us, over there.
Yeah, I can see it. I guess rich guys are living in here.
Yeah.
Nice houses.
Yeah, they're very nice houses. We missed them because we were a little too much south.
Really?
Maybe next time we go a little more north and we see. But I think there are some more coming. Okay, what's your plan? So actually we can change the frequency.
Okay.
Which one do we need?
For 123 025.
Okay. Okay, then let's first figure out our next navigation point.
Okay. 289, 2000 feet.
Okay.
2.1 minutes.
And what are we looking for?
Looking for north of tank farm. Antenna.
Antennas.
Yeah,
yes.
antennas.
So let's look for the antennas. Yeah, because here is really the most critical area because Fullerton airspace is really close.
Yeah.
So you said 280, that looks good. For 2 minutes, I'm gonna start a timer.
Yep.
Then maybe we can do a position report, LA Basin, where we are going, how high.
Okay. LA Basin Helicopter Hotel over water treatment plant, 2000 feet and heading to west. LA Basin.
Nice, very good job. So to help you to find the antennas, always remember here.
Yeah, White House.
Yes, White House, and it's close to this big road over there.
Yeah.
So somewhere in this area.
I can see that over front of us.
Yes,
Yeah.
perfect. That's it. Good job.
Maybe 3 miles?
Um,
5 miles?
it is about between 2 and 3 miles. Yes.
Yeah, 2 and 3
Good,
miles.
good guess. This is why ForeFlight is very good. You can measure every distance. Then it's really good for position reports.
Yep.
And for diversions. It's a very good aid. So the next flight you can also try to use it. Maybe you can use your roommates who already flew with it.
Yeah.
Then you can figure out how you can fix it on the kneeboard.
I got it.
Okay, here it's pretty important to fly pretty close to the antennas, because if we fly here now, we are in Fullerton airspace.
Yep.
So this is pretty good here. And then you can already think ahead what is next.
What is next? Next is the oil field. And 244, 1,500 feet.
Okay. So here
6 minutes.
it's good if you always have a heading here of 240 or higher. So 244 is pretty good.
Yeah, 244.
And then I'm gonna show you that X road again. Then we can maybe for next time.
X road, okay.
Yeah. Because these oil fields we learned today is kind of hard to find, right?
Yeah.
So maybe we have to find a better one.
244.
Can you see the tank?
Yeah, over there.
Yes. We stay north of this again. Very good job.
And let's get the gauge check. 123 green, F center, captain is out of yellow, no warning line, no caution line, tail is green.
Okay.
Okay.
And fuel?
Fuel is about half.
But this one half, this less.
Yeah,
half,
less
so
than
in
half.
total little less than half.
Yeah, less than half.
So this is how we flew around Fullerton. This is Fullerton, and we are just flying over it. So it was pretty good.
Yeah. And setting for the 1,500 feet.
Okay.
Yeah, 1,600 feet.
This area we're gonna do off-airport landings later.
Yeah.
So before the check rate, we have to land here somewhere.
1,500 feet.
Nice, good job leveling off.
Oh, over there are airplanes.
At the moment our indicated speed is 80 and our ground speed is about 75.
75.
So
Headwind.
Headwind,
Yeah.
yes, very good. Okay, now we passed the tank, so you said 244, yeah, that's actually pretty good.
Yep.
You can just choose a point and fly 244.
Okay. It's a Pluton airport?
It's over there, yes. Pretty, maybe 5-6 miles.
6 miles?
Kind of hard to see behind it. We cannot see the runway, just I know it's somewhere in this area.
Okay.
So this X road is, I like this checkpoint because it's easy to see.
Yeah.
So when you look outside, what do you think is X road?
X road, I guess.
The big road that you can see pretty good.
Okay.
Which is the biggest road you see pretty far away?
Yeah.
Which one is a big road you see?
Figure out.
So do you
X road. Maybe. Oh, just over there, north, west of us.
No. You mean like 12 o'clock?
Yeah, 12 o'clock.
No. A little more left.
Oh.
Like 11?
11 o'clock?
10 o'clock.
Ah.
You see this big road here?
Yeah, big road.
This one where that goes very far away.
Yeah.
this is the X road.
Is that an X road?
Yeah, so this, I think this one is pretty good to see, because you see it's very wide. So let's fly over there
Okay.
to make sure you know which one I mean.
Yeah. Is that an X road?
Yeah, or this is not an official name, this is just how I call it.
Just naming.
Yeah.
Okay, 1,500 feet.
So that one.
Is that X road?
Yeah, so this is, I call it X road. So that's pretty long road, and I think also when we are at the tank we can already see it. It's really easy to see.
Yeah.
So we can look for out it the next couple flights as well.
Yeah.
And then you're gonna find it easily.
Okay.
But we can still look for your reference point, the tank farms.
Oil field.
Oil field, sorry. Yeah.
And 254, 1,000 feet.
Yeah, I think when we fly this heading, should be good.